Bro, this is bad. But we taking this fender flares out of here, and we taking that front with the fenders. That will fix that because it's really bad up here. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all already know what time it is, man. It's your boy back at it again with another banger, you heard? So I went to the junkyard yesterday, posted a video of what I was doing. We got one of the craziest junkyard finds, for real though. This might be the cheapest wide body kit we ever found, y'all. Ridiculous cheap. So we actually went and copped it. We got it, and y'all already know what we're doing. Y'all already know what we're doing. Bam! It's already on one side. The reason why I mounted it right now is because I need to start taking out this window. If you seen them at the beginning of the video, this is horrible. Okay, it was horrible. When I tell you, they try to bind it in with the body. They didn't sand this down completely the right way, so you can make it a little more flush. They didn't use fiberglass. They just straight up on the life out of me, and it was horrible. What? But it is what it is. We got the front. We got the let me show you this shit. Look at this. Seen this? Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, this is the pieces of bundle that was coming out of that. We got the front side. We got both sides. Yeah, it's pretty bad. We gotta take out pounds of bundle because when they put the bundle, they didn't even try to smooth it in. You can see little things here and there. You got small cracks, one right here. On the other side, you can see right here, this whole bundle got to come off, and it was cracked right here. So that's what we got right now. So once I mount it up, I ain't gonna land on my head. Oh, there you go. Ah! Dang. Okay, so once we mount it up on the rear, we're gonna go ahead and start taking this shenanigan out so we can restart over with the fender flares itself. So let's get to that and see you in a minute. Yeah, I know you see the vibe. 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 Yes, sir, ski. Obviously, I just got the lane on there, but I know you see the vibe. Obviously, we can't put the front because we don't have no fender. Trying to find some fenders. I don't care what the conditioning they are, as long as the open part of it is straight. I don't care if it has dent on one echo. So obviously, I'm cutting the shit out of them. So yeah, that's what we gotta find now. We gotta find some front fenders, and obviously we gotta find the HR hood. There's one at the junkyard, but them motherfuckers want $200 for that. That's a no. So from there, once we do that, obviously we gotta sort out some new wheels. Plan on going with bags on this, so we gotta sort that out, see how we're gonna do that. Obviously, we know that's a lot of money, but it is what it is. Hopefully we'll get to it. In the meantime, we might run this. I will clean them up, take all these curve racks and whatnot, and then we'll powder coat this joint. This on mine, this on my girl, so cannot touch those. Actually, we need one of those anyways. I went ahead and mounted the wind. I'm not satisfied. Let me go and show y'all. I'm not satisfied. I'm OCD as hell. So the problem I'm having with this joint is once I measure it and make sure everything's straight. So either this side is still close to the edge, and this one is a little bit apart. But once I measure it from the bottom, I can never get it to get straight. I'm pretty sure it's the piece itself. The mold, whatever these came from, it was not straight. So yeah, we have an issue with that, but I'm not too worried about. I had to mount it to see how I want it. I've been dealing with it for like 30 minutes, so I'm not too concerned about it because I will. My thing is to go ahead and literally do the seamless white body kit on it, so all of that shit is gonna be flush with the body itself. So you know, I might go ahead and just go ahead and, you know, flush this like that anyway. So we'll see how that goes. I'm still not satisfied. I gotta figure something else out. But I mean, this is what we're getting right now. Again, I'm OCD. I gotta figure out whether I gotta put this one a little more down or a little bit up, a little more down, or this one a little more down because of the height right here. Obviously, it's not much of a difference, to be honest, like less than a centimeter or whatnot. But again, I'm OCD. I like everything to be completely perfect on each side. I know it's not possible, but that's what I like to go with. So I'm gonna continue to struggle with it, with the wind, with the fender flares until I get it where I want to, and we're gonna move on from there. After that, we're gonna go ahead and cut everything, start mounting it, and figure out what we're gonna do. If y'all have any idea what I can do with this bundle, whether I just sand it down and leave it as it is, and then just, you know, do whatever I have to do up here, let me know down in the comments below if that's a good idea, or if I should just go ahead and sand the life out of it. It's cold as balls outside. I'm hella cold, but it is what it is. If you know me, I'm always doing shit. So I'm sanding this by hand. It was hard. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So it's a lie. So if you know what this is, go down in the comment or tell me what this is used for. Go down in the comment and tell me what it is, man. This is crazy. I literally had this, bought this for another project that I had going on the other side. So if you know what this is, go down in the comment and let me know. So obviously it's not for that, but it is a sander and it's working okay, you know. Might have taken a little too much, but it is what it is. I'll get to it. I'll do what it do. So let's continue. Let's try to get as much of that bondo out of the flare itself. So let's get to that. You know, it's also scratching this, but I'm not worried about it because I'm sanding this to bare metal when we glue the whole thing in there. So you know how to say work with what you got, so that's what we're working for. See? My idea is put this hole right here and watch this. Watch this. Man, you've never seen it before. You feel me? And I take all the edges out, clean it up in the back, as you can see. And we could be good to go, y'all. We might just to cover the imperfection, because I know they did. It has a lot of imperfection. You know, this is a Duraflex kit, so it's nothing special, but it would do it for me. You know what I'm saying? I'm satisfied. I know I'm gonna get it where I need it to be, so I gotta make sure I clean that up too as well. All of the edges are completely shaped down, so that's perfect. That's perfect, y'all. But I'm gonna call it a day for today. We'll be back here tomorrow in the lab, getting this done. Getting the wing done as well. We gotta get the wing together, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but we gotta get, because this most of the bundle is like from right here forward. Same over here, where the bundle was always like up here and in there. So I thought it was gonna be the whole thing, but glad at least now, so we should be good. Your boy finna get something to eat, and then I'll see you tomorrow. All right, so I wanted to pick up some tail lights. Got it from my boy. You know, I gave it the ugly ass wheels we got up there. He brought me those tail lights he had up in there, so we gotta go shopping to his house one of these days. He do got a Fender. We finna go get that from him, and all the little things he got. Let's go grab this parts from my boy. So as y'all know, I went to my boy's house to pick up a Fender and a few other things he was giving me technically for free. So I went and got the Fender. I couldn't record, man. My boy got the Crestador. He got one of the wagons, IS300 wagons. My boy got a 300 ZS. I know the 350. Man, it's crazy. But one of these days I'm gonna show y'all his stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna just show people stuff without, you know, permission, but it is what it is. So we back at home. It's like a day or so later. Yesterday was freezing out here. So what's today? So I came in here today because it's a little bit better. But I went ahead and mounted the Fender. Obviously we already know these are about to get cut, but I have to make sure everything was lined up correctly. That fender's done. We still need the other side. And let me show y'all what he gave us. So we got this steering wheel from obviously missing the little plastic thing over here. Not too worried about that. We got these hub for the meantime. What else? Actually, we got a shift knot too. Wait, never mind. Well, just like that, we got that cut. This bottom piece right here. No way good to go. Obviously, I don't got my tripod or anything to sit you down and show y'all what I'm doing, but y'all get the vibe. Y'all get the vibe. Let me go ahead and finish this. I'll be right back in a second. So, quick advice, y'all. Whenever y'all mounted this, we're gonna show y'all. So, whenever y'all mounted this, y'all mounting this, bro, for real. Real talk though. Get someone else to do it with y'all. Because due to this being fiberglass, when you mounting it up, you have to hold it right here, hold it right there, and it could be a pain in the ass. For me, it took me a while to figure out the way I wanted to sit. So the best thing y'all could do is get someone so they can hold the front, and you do the back. This is not the best fitment because this is a Duraflex kit. It's not the real Rocket Bunny, but to me, it fits pretty well. Once you know what you're doing, like you're trying to line it up correctly, you see that right here, you can line it up as good as you want to. Up here, I started right here. That was my starting point, because I mean the rest you had to like kind of play with it or whatnot, and I ended up on this one because it's the one that you have to line up with the door.
Lights went down when you feel lost in your shop.
And there's that, the point of no return. There it is, y'all. After this, I'm gonna just probably gonna cut it up to a certain point. Then we're gonna go ahead and just put the bonding thingy, whatever it's called. I forgot what it's called. Whatever this had on here, which is what they use to bond, whatever black stuff that is. And then obviously the gaps due to me cutting too much, like I said before. So I'm just gonna cover all that up, all the way up here, and then all the way around. So that way we don't hear anything inside the car like it was on my other 350C. So there it is, y'all. Cut this up. Eventually tomorrow I'm gonna mount it up, mount the fender back on, and it's gonna be mounted for good, and then we're gonna do all the body work. Well, guess what just came in? Sirski. We get the last piece of the puzzle to finish putting on the Widebody. Let's go. It's a little rusty right here. It is what it is. All we need is the HR hood and whichever bumper we're gonna be running. I don't know yet what front bumper we're gonna be running. The rear, I might use the OEM one. Just cut it up diffuser to make it, look, a little bit aggressive. I don't want to overdo the car, but man, we're looking good. We're getting there, y'all. So let me go ahead and get off here, finish what I got going on in the house, and then we'll be back in here dealing with this. So the reason I'm leaving this all the way to like right here is because I actually want the bumper to mount up pretty good. I want the fitment on the bumper to be perfect, or I mean somewhat perfect. So that's the reason why. So I left it on both sides. Now we're finna mount this side real quick, and then we should be good to go. So I've been getting rid of all this Bondo that this body kit had. I've been using this. It's for metal, but it's been doing a job. I took all of this on this side. Same on this side. So I still got to take shave off a little bit over here. And then, man, after that, we're straight, man. Look, we got this kind of bolt on. Obviously, we got to put. But since we're going to blend it in with the body, it's going to be a lot easier because all I got to do is just sand it the back end more, so it could be a little more flat, and man, we should be straight, man. We should be good, y'all. I'm about to call it the day. I'm tired. It's been a long day. I gotta work at 3 in the morning, so I'm finna call it a day. and then we're gonna continue tomorrow for sure. So we're gonna cut this side or the quarter panel tomorrow and put the wheel back in here, drop the car, and find a way to screw that in or whatever, cell toppers all around, and then do what it do with the glue. So once we all completely done the os on both sides, same thing on the front. I might put some of that sealing too, that way it don't rust the front panel. So hopefully we get that done tomorrow. All right, yeah, so we up in here. It's been like a few days. I had to stop for a minute because of the rain, the cold, and all that. But I went ahead and just cut that up like that and put mad screws. The reason I went like this because it was either that or I would have to weld it. This way it's actually cheaper than welding it. So what we're gonna do is after we finish on the other side, I bought a seam sealer. Obviously that's for gutter. So if you can and you have the time to get the real one, or wait to get the real one, wait. But this should do the same thing because this is for gutter and it's only like 13 bucks, 11. So if you got that or you feel like waiting, it's up to you. I didn't feel like waiting, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm ready to get this done. So I went ahead and just went and copped that and did the screw method, which is, obviously I got a whole bunch of screw. This is not going nowhere, and then we're gonna seal it up all around, and we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side. So once we do this on this side, literally, once we do this on this side, we should be good to go. All right, so I went and did it. I had to hurry up, so I went and did a layer of it. After this, I might do another layer on there. So this side is done. Remember on this side I messed up, so I decided to put a whole bunch. Once it's already done and dry, I'll clean it up better. So, but I mean, obviously I might do another hand on top just so it can be sealed and level a lot better. So other than that, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we got. All right, yeah, so we finally made it. I'll put the other ones back on for the meantime. Obviously we're going to what's his name, mold it, but as of right now, man, look at this, y'all. Look at this. That's exactly what we're going for. Oh, excuse the leaky back there. So y'all see it. Y'all see it. Man, this look good. So this is gonna be the end of this video. The reason why I'm ending the video right now is because I still gotta wait on the molding adhesive and have to wait on something else, which right now I can't figure it out what it is. It's there, but it's not there. So, man, with that being said, man, hit the like button, subscribe, do all of that, because we almost done, man. We almost getting prepped. Oh, actually, we gotta wait on the fiberglass bundle. That's what we're waiting on, and then the molding adhesive. So once we get that and a little bit of fiberglass for the back of the wing, y'all, it's over. It's over, man. We going in, y'all. We going in a matter of like what, 4 days. We got everything situated. We got new fenders. We got the rear done the way it needs to be done. Man, it's insane, y'all. It's insane. So without further ado, man, hit the like button, subscribe, do all of the good things, man. I'll see you on the next one.